How will people look at us and know we are Ismaili? Our present Imam Shah Rahim al-Husseini gave a message for people all over the world in Kenya in the month of August. Today we are sharing that message with you. In this message it becomes clear how people will recognize that we are Ismailis. In other sects and groups of Islam there are specific dresses and specific caps. Because of these it is easy to recognize them. But Ismailis live a simple life. So how will we be recognized? Our Maula said, I want to emphasize that the conduct of every Ismaili should be such that others may say, if an Ismaili has spoken, it must be true. If an Ismaili has committed, it must be reliable. Just like our past 49 Imams, our 50th Imam also said the same thing, that the identity of an Ismaili should be that he is better in character, he does not break promises, and he is honest. Do you know what the Holy Prophet said? He asked the companions, do you know who is most dear to me in this world and who I like the most? The people sitting around gave their opinions. But the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, the one most dear to me is the one with the best character, meaning a person who is not ignorant in social dealings, but a balanced and sensible person. So in the previous video, we shared one message of Imam of the time Shah Rahim al-Husseini, in which he talked about using social media within limits and about other activities like exercise and reading books. And now in the next video, we will bring another message of our Imam, which can become the foundation of our society, make us positive and give us the ability to live with peace. Indeed, we are one Jamat.